What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert new emails to PDF using PDF code and save it to a Google Drive folder. Let's get started. The first thing we'll do is rename our scenario. I've renamed my scenario to convert emails to PDF using PDF code and upload to Google Drive. Now here, we will search for Gmail. You'll search for Gmail, and on Gmail, we are going to use watch emails as our trigger. Here, just create a connection of your Gmail account to make.com right here by clicking add. Here, you'll rename your connection, add the client ID and secret, and then click on sign in with Google, and you'll have finalized connecting your Gmail to make.com. After connecting your Gmail to make.com, after connecting your Gmail account to make.com, here you'll choose a folder. I like to access all my emails. And then here we can say we want to convert, let's say, 3 emails to a PDF, and then click on OK. Here you can choose where to start. You can choose from now, emails after a specific date, all emails, or select the first email. I'm going to choose to select the first email. I'll choose this as my first email, then click on OK. Here, now I'll convert this email into a PDF using PDF code, using the convert HTML to PDF. Here, I'll say convert type is HTML to PDF. For the input HTML code, we're going to delete this and add our HTML content. Then click on OK. Then after we convert our email to PDF, we're going to upload it to our Google Drive folder. So here I'm going to search for Google Drive and click on upload a file. Like we did previously on our Gmail account, we are going to create a connection of our Google Drive to make.com. And then after creating an account, here you're going to choose a folder or location. It's going to be my drive. And then here I'm going to choose a folder. I'm going to choose files as our folder location. And then the file is going to be the file that we convert right here. And then click on OK. Now, since we chose where to start on this email, we can begin converting our emails to PDF and uploading to our Google Drive folder just by running this automation. Now, to run automation, all you have to do is just click on Run Once. Automation will begin running and getting our first email. Here, it's been converted to a PDF. After it has been converted to a PDF, it's been uploaded to a Google Drive file, to our Google Drive folder. You can see it stores the second email, and the second email is being converted to a PDF right here. The second email has been converted to a PDF and has been uploaded to our Google Drive folder. You can see it's getting the third email and converting it to a PDF file. The third email has been converted to a PDF and uploaded on our Google Drive folder. Now, when we go to our Google Drive folder and refresh it, you will see our 3 emails that were converted to a PDF. Let us open all the emails. Here are the 3 emails that we converted into a PDF. So this is the first email. You can see it's a PDF of our email. This is amazing. If you wish to print it or download it, all you have to do is just click right here to print it or download it right here. This is the second email. And this is the third email. This is awesome. So this is a simple automation that you can set up right now and convert your emails to PDF using PDF code and upload to your Google Drive folder using this simple automation on Make. If you have any automation idea that you'd like me to set up, just comment down below in the comment section. And if I find your comment interesting, I may come back on a future video creating for you that automation. But for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.